restart Windows Explorer. So click on start and type task manager, then just single click. After that, scroll down and find out Windows Explorer. You can see Windows Explorer. Select this, just right click and click on restart. Wait few seconds and just close it. Click on start. In search type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command. First copy and just Control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and Control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, Control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see. When it is processing and like you can see it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, RestoreHealth, copy, Control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay, click on start, type Windows security and just click on it, then click on virus and threat protection, then click scan option. After that select the full scan and then scan now. Click on scan now and wait few seconds, it's completed. It will take some time, depend about your storage size and your system configurations.